Hello, viewers. Good evening. This is Dr. Hassan in live with you. Hope all of you are in a very good mood and living a very healthy life. Tonight, we are going to discuss about the world's biggest medical hub. Yes, you're absolutely right. I'm talking about Turkey. Turkey, the land of rich culture and mighty Ottoman empires. And we will talk about the world's biggest medical tourism platform, that is Turkish Healthcare Travel Council. We call it THTC. I'm the NATO director of the Bangladesh office. Tonight, we have Dr. Ferhat with us, who is the medical director of THTC. How are you, doctor?
Fine, fine, Mr. Hassan. And how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the live.
Okay,
Uh,
thanks.
Firstly, let me give a brief about THTC. What is THTC? Well, the history is in 2005, the Turkish Healthcare Travel Council (THTC) was established to strengthen the health tourism activities and to unite the national efforts to bring the more patients to Turkey from around the globe. With 317 members consisting of hospital, clinics, thermal, medical spa centers, hotels, assistance companies, and with 165 network offices in 92 different countries. The council has grown into the largest healthcare association both in Turkey and the world. TSTC was developed and TSTC has developed the exemplary corporate structure in 2013, at Monte Carlo, Monaco, TSTC initiated and served as a founding company for the Global Healthcare Travel Council, which promotes and provides the healthcare services to the world citizen. Though such endeavors, the Turkish Healthcare Travel Council has cemented its place as a global contender in the healthcare industries. So, dear viewers, we're going to start our discussions now. If you have any questions, you can directly write to us in the comment box. So, Doctor, please
Yeah,
tell us how Turkey has become the world's biggest medical hub.
yeah, because that we can say that briefly from our old history, beginning from the Ottomans, okay,
Mhm,
the
mhm.
end of the Ottomans, and from our beginning of the Republic, we are healing the diseases by some different methods. Uh,
Okay,
For example, we use water sound therapy. We used music therapy. Okay,
okay.
beginning
Mhm,
from those days, we came up to on these lands, Anatolian lands. We
mhm,
came now to the final of our modern healthcare situation.
mhm.
How can we say this? Especially beginning from 1980, by the help of the government supports, the private healthcare sector developed a lot in Turkey. This is
Okay,
our main reason of success in today's situation. And
okay,
also, we have a very good medical education for
mhm,
doctors and also good education for other employers of the healthcares, like the nurses, midwives, and other employers. Okay. So when we
okay,
collect all of those reasons, and also, but the main key is the private healthcare sector invested a lot for this situation, for the
okay.
technology and for building new structures of hospitals and something.
Mhm,
And we can
okay,
brief this like that.
okay. So you're telling about the water treatments, like I saw, like in Sivas, right?
No, 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 not Siwas. We have Dr. Fishes. Okay,
Okay,
they
okay,
they
okay.
are
That's
they
the
are
doctor visit.
especially they are especially good for the psoriasis. I mean, water sound therapy in very old before old times. Okay, to listening to giving the sound of the water, okay, in different
Okay.
types, we try
Mhm,
to heal the patients like this. This is something different, okay.
mhm. Okay, and can you tell us something about the water fish therapy? I have seen that in Sivas.
Yes, sure.
Can you please explain it to me
Yeah,
for our
waterfish
viewers?
therapy in Sivas, because
Mhm,
there is very unique water in Sivas region, our in
mhm,
Sivas region. Okay,
mhm,
and
mhm.
also these fishes, they are very unique. They are only survive in this geography. I can say, for example, the Germans tried to take those fishes to Germany, and they want to produce them there, but they couldn't succeed. They couldn't succeed. Okay,
Okay.
so
So
we
okay.
can say the sun, the sun of Sivas, this water, and the fishes. We say, even we say them doctor fishes. Okay, then
Hmm.
with this 3 points, there is very good result, especially for psoriasis diseases. And also
Okay.
there is the very unique element of selenium in this water. And when it
Okay.
works, it combined with the ultraviolet of the sun, and it shows good effect. Dr. Fishes only eats
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah. The
scars.
skin,
Okay,
the scars,
yeah, the
yes.
skins eats it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Yeah, I have experienced once because I had attended one TST's event that was in Kangal, and I saw the fishes, and I just put my leg into the water, and they were just doing like this.
Yes,
It's
yes.
a really good experience. Okay,
Hmm.
what is the difference between Turkish treatment technology and the rest of the world? So, what makes you superior?
Yeah, okay. Now, when we check about the regional parts of the world, okay, as you know, the African country and the Asian country, especially CIC countries or something, okay,
Yes,
unfortunately they couldn't make good invest or very good invest on healthcare, as you know, okay.
yes,
Now, if you want to take a modern technologic uh, healthcare services, then you have to go to United States, okay, or maybe Germany in some countries in Europe. But
some
for some,
developed countries. Yes,
yeah, development countries, but there are big visa problems, for example, from Africa or from some CIC countries to reach them.
yes,
And even
yes,
they can reach them, they have to pay a lot of money for healthcare. But in
yes. It's a
Turkey,
huge. It's a huge. It's a
yeah,
huge.
in,
Yes,
in, in Turkey, we have the same technology, but more and more affordable. We can,
yes, yes.
that's one of our big success for this reason of our success.
Yes, I also have seen in my eyes that the Turkish doctors, they are graduated from Turkey, then they have done their postgrads from USA, from UK, and these sort of
Yes,
countries,
sure,
and they
sure.
have the same standard of education, the same standard they have in US doctors. You have
Yes,
the
sure.
same technologies. Okay, so now as we are talking about TSTC, how TSTC can help patients who want to travel to Turkey for medical treatment?
Yeah, as you said, as you explained in your beginning speech, okay,
Hmm.
about more than 90 countries, we have 165 offices, okay, all over the world. It means
Yes.
that we have all some departments in those countries. So
Hmm.
that is very important. That is very important. For example, you are our director of Bangladesh, okay?
Yes.
You
Yes.
know, you know the culture of Bangladesh. You know the what's the expectation of your citizens and something, your
Hmm.
religious habits, your feeding habits, okay? Everything we can say this. So we have partnership with you, and then it means that you are collecting the all info about the patient, and you
Yes.
send us, for example, and then
Yes.
when I take it, then I search it, and I'm looking for the hospitals, doctors, okay, and which doctor, which hospital is convenient for this case, and then I
Yes.
inform you. I inform you. Then if the patient is agreed with us, okay, then the treatment is beginning, and we say you arrange everything from there as a THTC network office, the flights, the transfers to airport and everything. And here in Turkey, we meet them at the airport. And then till at the end of treatment, till turning way to Bangladesh, okay, we are together with them in any step, in any way, not only the medically, for also the social things, for seeing around in Istanbul or in some other cities, for example. Okay, so THTC uh, supports the patients from beginning to their home and then back to their home, and we all working. We try to the best for them to feel that they are at their homes.
Yeah. So, in a word, that is a one stop service under one roof. The patient is
Yes,
getting all services under one roof, so it's beneficial for the patient. They get tension free. They just come to us, and we take all the necessary steps. Then we send them to Turkey, and TSTC take care of everything: hotels, accommodation, treatment, fooding, and transfer and everything.
everything.
And the patient complete the treatment, and they come back to their
And
respective
also, I
countries.
have
Yes.
to add one point.
Yes.
After they turn back to their countries, okay,
Mm.
and
Mm.
through our network directors, network office directors, okay, we
Mhm.
still continue to follow them. If they have any problem, they can contact you, and you can contact me anytime, okay? So
Yeah.
for a long time, for their any request from beginning and then after following, okay, we are ready to host them.
No, that means if one patient go there, do a surgeries, and then come back, and after that, if he requires any follow-ups or teleconsultation is possible with the Turkish doctor, then we can arrange that for them, right?
Yes, right. Sure.
Yes. Okay. And the world is facing a very crucial moments for the coronavirus. So, what is the scenario there in Turkey right now?
Now we can say that uh, it is almost like all the world. Okay. For example, now for this corona, we can't think what is the situation in different countries. Okay, we have to think this. We have to handle this matter. Okay, as a compound, as a totally, as the as the word. Okay, because really it's a huge problem. As I'm a doctor and I'm medically okay, still confusing what's going on. Okay, and
Yes.
every day we are adding some informations and we are receiving some more details about this coronavirus and its
Okay.
complications and something. So, like now we are in the world, we are beginning to mention about the second wave. Okay, yes, I think
Mhm.
if there is some second wave will come, we can say this is the second wave. Okay,
We are not
but
sure actually what wave is going on, second or third. We are
yes,
not sure.
yes,
Yes.
but we can say that if we, especially for thinking about our country, Turkey, that I mentioned before, a lot of investigation from, especially from the public and from the
Hmm.
healthcare. We have a
Hmm.
lot of intensive care beds and we have a lot of ventilators. And from the first beginning of the March, from up to this and still including those days, okay, we have a occupancy of ventilators or intensive care rooms only 50-60% we are occupied now. It means that
Okay.
yes, we have
Improving.
still where yes,
It-
we have still some a lot of empty capacity for this. But
Okay.
I hope that we will not use them. Okay. And if we come
Okay.
to our international patients regarding corona, yes, when we receive them and before an operation, of course, we are applying corona test at least
Okay.
48 hours before the operation. Okay, because without any corona test, any easy intervention will be done in Turkey. Okay,
Mm.
and
Mm.
also uh, as Turkey is a very good touristic destination also, not only
Absolutely.
health
Absolutely.
tourism
Absolutely.
destination. Yes,
Absolutely.
since beginning of this season, we have a lot of preventations. We have a lot of procedures regarding
Mm-hmm.
with our hotels, and the
Mm-hmm.
hotels that will host people during this pandemic has to take an certification. Okay, for corona safe hotels. So
Okay.
also at hotels, yes, at hotels we have very good safe now. Okay.
Okay. So my question is that if any one patient right now, see, like I can say, like my neighbor country, the India, and between the flight between Bangladesh and India is totally, I mean, it's off right now. I mean, from government decision, it's a government decision. It hasn't been open yet, but I know the Turkish government has opened the borders for the patients. For the
Yes.
benefit of the patients, Turkish border, I mean, government has opened the borders. But my question is, if any patient want to travel to Turkey, he needs to do a corona test before 48 hours before the flight, right?
No, no, we don't do this now. Okay,
Okay.
from any country, we apply this method now. But for example, the Germany or the other some European countries wants this from their citizens when they are coming back from Turkey to England to Germany, for example. And
Hmm.
at airports, they can have corona tests. But as
Okay.
Turkey, from other countries, like medical tourist or like normal tourist, okay, we
Hmm.
offer, we request any COVID test. But of course, I can tell you this today's situations, okay? We don't know what will be tomorrow, okay? Yeah,
It may
for
change.
now,
It may
yeah,
change.
because
Yes.
in Corona days, everything is changing, okay? It's very,
Right.
very labeled, not a stable thing, okay?
It's
For
it's,
now,
it's very unstable.
for now, we don't request any Corona test before coming, okay? But here, of course, at our hospitals, we do it. Why? Two reasons: because of the hospital security, and also because of doctor security, and for the patient security also. We have to do
Exactly.
this. But
Exactly.
we do them
Exactly.
here. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
So before flight, you don't need the certificate of corona negative or something else. And but after going there, for the safety of everyone, you will do the
Sorry?
test. For the safety of everyone, when the patient enters the hospital, then corona test has been done.
I think there is some problem in net. Can you repeat it again?
Okay, actually, I want to summarize what you have told us. That is, so before flight, no corona test is required. When as soon as the patient arrives Turkey, and he enters to the hospital, then corona test to be done.
Yes.
That's what you
Yes,
say.
right. Sure,
Okay,
yes.
okay, okay. So nowadays, the organ failure is rising, like kidney failure, hepatic failure, cardiac failure is a very common thing nowadays. The organ failure is rising. So please give some info about the organ transplants in Turkey, like kidney transplants or liver transplants. Can you give us some
Okay.
info
Yeah, yeah,
about
of
that?
course, of course. Sure, sure. Now, also in this area, this transplantation area, really we are very succeed, okay? And we are very
Hmm.
improving, very good. But only for international patients, I have to say that before everything.
Hmm.
According to Turkish laws,
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
donor from corpse will be used only for Turkish citizens. It means that if if a patient comes from Bangladesh, okay,
Yes.
we
Hmm.
have we have no way to find an organ from corpse here in Turkey. Understand me?
Okay. Okay. I got it.
So it means that international patients who will come to Turkey for organ transplantation must come to Turkey with their own donors,
Okay.
live
So
donors. Uh,
okay,
just
left
wait.
donor.
And then live donors. And
Mhm.
also it must be from relatives up to 4 degrees grade. It must be something like cousins, okay? Cousins.
Okay.
But if a patient doesn't have a suitable donor from relatives, from
Yes.
relatives, and if he has or she has some donors out of relatives, then the patient may come here with donor, but this time the donor will have to go to the patient to an ethic committee for take
Okay.
confirmation because
Yes.
because because we don't want to have any doubt for trade of organs, okay,
Absolutely.
organ
Absolutely.
transplantation. It
Absolutely.
means that
Absolutely.
if you come here with your relatives up to 4 degrees, okay,
Hmm.
then there
Hmm.
is no ethic committee need. We can go
Oh, really?
directly to the medical, yes,
So how
but you
can you
have to
prove that?
prove this. Yeah,
Okay, what
how can
what
you
are the
prove
proofs
this?
you need?
You have
Yes.
to you have to bring you have to bring some documents with you from your country when coming, official
Hmm.
documents. And
Hmm.
here we have to confirm this from your embassy or consulate from your country in Istanbul or in Turkey.
Okay.
And
Okay.
if we confirm this, then we have no issue with ethic committee. But if
Okay.
the donor is from out of relatives, then
Hmm.
may come, but we have to go to ethic committee. But by the way, I have to tell this, ethic committee is very serious committee. Okay,
I know.
they
I know.
are
Yes.
very experienced. Okay, if they
Yes.
feel that there is some smell of
Kind of
trading, okay, then they
trading,
only refuse
racketing.
this. Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay, absolutely, absolutely. So the fourth degree donor is accepted there, either the cousins, brothers, and everything. And if they can prove that he is the donor, and our embassy in Ankara or Istanbul
yes,
approves that, they give the permission or NOC. We call it no objection certificate. Then there is no ethic committee, and they can the transplant can be done very very smoothly. But
yes.
if they somebody,
But of course, medical compatibility must be also for the donor also.
yes,
The
yes,
blood
yes,
groups
obvious.
or dog tissue
Tissue
compatibility
cultures,
and
yes,
something.
tissues, yes,
Yes.
tissue compatibility is right. Okay, like the organ failures, the deadly cancers are also rising. So, can you please tell me us about the modern advanced treatment available for cancer in Turkish hospitals? About
Okay.
cancer.
As you know, I can say that we have three ways for cancer treatment. Okay, one is surgery, cancer
Mm-hmm.
surgery, and the other two is radiotherapy and the chemotherapy. Okay, so for surgery, we need really good devices and very
Mm-hmm.
experienced doctors,
Okay.
especially experienced on oncology side. Okay,
Okay.
for
Mm-hmm.
example, if we think about a gynecolog or a general surgery, okay, now really we have departments regarding only oncology. For
Mm-hmm.
example, we have oncology,
Oncosurgeons, oncosurgeons, oncos.
oncosurgeons, yes, oncosurgeons, oncogynecologists, and something. Okay, yes, this is one of the very advanced thing. And the second one, devices. For example, we have Da Vinci robots or something for surgery, and then there are very good chances for to be able to reach the tumors in the areas of the brain and something and somewhere. Okay, this is the
That's
surgery side. And except after the surgery side, the radiotherapy, yeah, it is huge development now. Okay, and also we have some devices like gamma knife, like cyber knife. It means that we tell them radiosurgery. For example, with a surgery,
okay.
if it is really impossible to reach the tumor in the brain, okay, with radiosurgery, only with X-rays, okay, the
Okay.
radiologically we manage them. So they are really huge technologies, and every day is improving. Every day is changing someone and adding someone. In chemotherapy side, we have very intelligent medicines now, chemotherapeutic agents.
Really.
Intelligence
Okay.
means
Okay.
they don't have any more side effects like hair
Okay.
loss, like something and something. Okay, and
Yeah,
also,
we
for
can find
example,
that all the chemo drugs, if you provide some chemo drugs, as we see, the people, I mean, the patients' hair go down. No, hairs go down, and there is no hair
yes,
loss happens.
yes,
So
yes,
you are telling that you have some kind of drugs specifically that doesn't the patient don't lose the hair, right?
yes, it depends. We can't say for all the cases, but mostly yes. Okay.
Okay.
And also,
Okay.
for example, we have some chemotherapeutic agents during the operation. After the
Hmm.
operation, for example, for the bottom cancers, okay, for bowel
Okay.
cancers or ovarian cancers, okay, after the surgery finish, we wash all the bottom for very small cells, cancer cells, with 42 degrees centigrade hot water with chemotherapeutic medicines. We do it
Okay.
during the surgery. Okay, so we have
Okay.
a lot of facilities for cancer treatment now.
Okay. That's good. So let's talk about a global issue right now, that is the infertility. The
Yes,
infertility case in modern days, infertility cases are also rising, and nowadays we get a huge queries about the surrogacy. So what is the surrogacy law in Turkey? And is it possible? Is it possible to get the do surrogacy in Turkey, or can you provide the surrogate mothers there? Is it legal there? I want to know something about the surrogacy.
Okay. Unfortunately, no. We have no legal regulation for surrogacy, and
Uh,
also egg donate also. Okay.
oh, okay,
Yes, we make only IVF treatment. Okay,
okay.
legally, and we are very successful on this. But I'm very happy that Cyprus. This is our
Turkish Cyprus, Turkish
yeah,
Cyprus,
this
yes,
Turkey Cyprus. Okay, this is our land also. Okay, and then in Turkish Cyprus part, okay, Northern
yes.
Republic, Turkish side, there is legally issue for surrogacy and for ovum donates also. So
Okay,
we may arrange all the cases regarding for surrogacy in Cyprus, and we may arrange them
okay,
as THTC also. We
okay,
have
okay. So
contracted clinics who does there in Cyprus.
okay, so you can provide the surrogate mother from there also. Is it right?
Yes, yes, right. And also uh, donate egg donation also, not only
Egg
surrogate,
donation.
egg
I
donation
see.
also.
Egg
Yeah.
donation also. So whenever I have a question that when the baby borns in the womb of a surrogate mother, actually actually the baby will require a passport because he this baby is not a Turkish child. This baby will be
Yes.
from Bangladesh. This baby maybe from the couples from the United States. So, will the THTC support this couple to get the passport from the respective countries?
Yes, of course. Of course.
Okay,
We are
okay,
issuing this. Okay. We all do this. Yes. Sure.
okay. Thank you. Uh, is heart transplant possible in Turkey? Heart transplant,
Heart
the cadaver heart
transplantation.
transplant.
Yes. Yes. Now, when you go around Istanbul, okay,
Mm-hmm.
even
Mm-hmm.
days on those pandemic days, okay,
Okay.
you may see a lot of guests. Okay, that some bandage on the hair, okay, and the head that had hair transplantation. It is
Okay.
very huge,
No, 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 no.
almost
I'm telling about the heart transplant. Heart transplant. Heart. Cardio.
heart, heart,
Yes.
cardio.
Yes.
Sorry,
Yes.
I understood hair transplantation. Okay,
No, no,
now
I'll come
let's
to
come
you.
to
I'll come to you regarding the hair
yes,
transplant.
yes, okay, okay. Sorry, heart transplantation. We can do it for the Turkish citizens because, as I told you before, for
Hmm.
heart transplantation, you need a heart from a corpse. Okay?
Yes, from cadaver. Yes.
Yes. And so the corpse donor is available only for Turkish citizens. Okay? So
Okay.
so we can say that for international patients, heart transplantation is impossible because of the
Okay.
law of this corpse donor. Okay? But for
Okay.
for our citizens, yes, we can do it very comfortably.
Okay. So what about the cornea transplant? Do you have any cornea bank there in Turkey?
Yes, we have cornea bank in Turkey, and also if we can't find our cornea, okay, donor cornea in Turkish bank, also
Mhm.
we have good contacts with the European banks or American banks and everything, okay. So we can do cornea transplantation easily without any more legal regulations, okay? Because here
Okay.
you don't need no donor, no relativity, nothing, okay? You can find it
Okay.
easily. In almost 10
Okay.
days, we finish everything
Okay.
for
Okay.
cornea
So international
transplantation.
for cornea transplant for international patient is legal and possible there in Turkey.
Yes. And also lung.
Uh.
I want to tell something. Liver is okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
kidney
Yeah.
is okay, but let's come to lung. Okay. Lung
Yes.
transplantation uh, for this for international patient I'm telling it about because you
Hmm.
need a live donor together with you. Okay.
Exactly.
For lung,
Exactly.
a patient needs two donors, not only one,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
kidney
Yeah.
or like liver. Okay.
Right.
So it's
Right.
something difficult. But if a patient can find two compatible donor, and come to Turkey, okay, then also they may have lung transplantation very comfortably. We are very good results on this.
Okay, that sounds good. Turkey has many cities like medical destinations in Turkey, like Istanbul, Ankara, Antalya. I have been there twice. Izmir and Sivas. And so, does the treatment cost varies in different cities according to the cost? Does the quality vary?
No, the quality doesn't change, okay? Only, only the physical conditions of the hospitals may change, okay?
Okay.
Then in any kind of hospital, in any city, but according to demands, according to economic positions, okay? For example, from a same group of hospital, from a same brand of hospital, if in
Like for
Istanbul,
example, medical park, leave.
yeah, let's don't talk about the names, okay?
Okay.
Yes, the
Yes.
brands, yes, brands,
Brand.
okay?
Yes.
Yeah, there may be some changes, some changes according to cities.
Okay.
Because, for example, Istanbul has a lot of demand, so they are
Mm-hmm.
very busy there, and the price
Mm-hmm.
is getting some high. But if you go
Okay.
to Konya or if you go to Kayseri for the same
Okay.
brand, okay, yes,
Okay.
there you may have some more affordable prices, some
Okay.
cheap prices. That is, but the quality is same on the
Okay.
medical service that you will take is completely same.
Okay. So actually, from Bangladesh, we have the direct flight from Dhaka to Istanbul. So and also I have visited Antalya, and that's a very nice city. That's a touristic city, and I also saw there are very brand hospitals, and also they are the THTC members. So you're saying that if any surgery has been is done to Antalya or Sivas, the quality will be same, but the price can be more affordable.
Not more affordable, but maybe some affordable. Okay,
Okay.
not so
Okay.
much, not so much difference. It depends according to city and the demand of the hospital. Okay, demand of the
No,
hospital.
actually, you see the patient attendance should stay in a hotel. The hotel price in Istanbul is very high, whereas the hotel price in Sivas is comparatively low. So this is how
Yes,
the price
of
goes
course.
down, and the patient got
Yes,
advantage.
yeah, but mostly according to my experiences. Okay,
Hmm.
especially from African region,
Hmm.
everybody wants Istanbul because there are direct flights from Africa to Istanbul, and the
Hmm.
patients doesn't want to fly to take another flight to go to another city.
Hmm.
Okay, and also
Okay.
Istanbul is very fantastic city with
Yeah, I
for
know.
tourism, for history, culture, and everything. So
Food and everything. Yes.
sometimes I offer some other cities to my patients, but they never accept after this time. They
They
always
want to
say
go to
no,
Istanbul. Yes.
Istanbul. But we have some chance for Antalya from European market or from
Hmm.
CIC countries because the
Hmm.
people know Antalya from their tourism experiences. Okay, so they can
Yes.
prefer, especially for aesthetic problems. They can come
Okay.
with the
Okay.
family and then they can have the operation and the family can get the holiday.
Yeah, they're all beautiful
Yeah, so
locations,
according
beautiful
to,
hotels are there.
yes, according to what they will expect for medical care, then it depends.
Okay, okay. Antalya is a wonderful
For
city. I have
thermal,
been there
for
twice.
thermal,
Yes.
for thermal tourism, for example, we have Denizli, as you know, we have Sivas,
Denizli, yes.
we have
Sivas,
Afyon,
Pamukkale,
okay, yeah.
Pamukkale, Pamukkale.
So we have a lot of, yes, Pamukkale, Denizli, yes, Denizli,
Yes,
okay.
yes,
Denizli, same with the Pamukkale. So it
yes.
depends what's the patient's requests, okay.
Okay, okay. So, I heard that Turkey is very famous for hair transplants. So, how many patients you receive for the hair transplants every year?
Yeah, I think 2019 before the pandemic, because this year we can't calculate nothing, okay.
Yes, yes,
But
absolutely,
by the way,
absolutely,
I
yes.
have to tell this, immediately after the pandemic, okay, we opened the flights, our borders, okay, and really we have a lot of demand for international patients. For those
Mm-hmm.
days, for example, We are very, 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 very busy because of the pandemic months. Okay, the patients couldn't go for the treatments. They waited now. Okay, and now they are coming for their search now. So tourism, of course, normal tourism is got down, but health tourism is same. There is no problem now. And let's come to hair transplantation. Uh, Probably 2019, we had more than 400,000 hair
Oh my
transplantations
God,
yearly.
it's a huge. It's a huge.
Yes, yes. As I
Okay.
told you before, if you go around Istanbul, you can see a lot of people in everywhere. Okay, and
Yeah.
from all countries, from African countries, Gulf countries. Okay, and from European countries, especially, a lot of hair transplantation is coming.
Yes, actually, I have observed when I was coming back from Turkey in the airport, in the immigration, I have seen a lot of people. I mean, out of 100, I have seen 80 people or 85 people was there. They had just grafted the hair and they're waiting in
Yes,
the immigration. Yeah.
yes.
So, thank you, doctor, for your valuable time. And
Thanks. You're
I have
welcome.
traveled. I have traveled quite several countries in the world, but I would love to travel Turkey again and again because the wonderful people who will welcome you from the heart, wonderful food, wonderful hospitality, mind-blowing weather of Turkey, and of course, as I'm from a Muslim country, I like the food, I like the environment so much. So, thank you, doctor. Thanks for joining.
Okay, you're welcome. Welcome to Turkey. We wait anytime. Okay.
Inshallah,
Wish to
inshallah,
be
we'll
wish to
stay.
be wish to be meet soon. Okay.
Inshallah. Thank you so
Inshallah.
much.
Thanks. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Goodbye. Bye
Bye bye.
bye. And
Thanks.
stay
Bye
safe.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much. So, viewers, this was all about the Turkish Healthcare Travel Council, and Turkey is a wonderful destination for medical tourism. In Asian countries, for Asian countries, the people are used to travel to India, Thailand, and Singapore, but the rest of the world, they go to Turkey for their medical solutions. And Turkish Healthcare Travel Council is one of the biggest medical tourism platform in the world, which is backed by the Turkish government. So thank you, viewers. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Good night.